How does Jingdiao empower medical manufacturing? Mark, a 30-year industry expert, will reveal how Jingdiao technology provides its reliable foundation.
Hello, I'm Mark Brunsvold, president of Future Micromold, LLC, Sarasota, Florida. Here at Micromold, we specialize in making very small molds for grade peak implantables. I've been in the medical device business for over 30 years. Started a few companies, and we've done all kinds of machining. Did Swiss screw machine, milling, injection molding, grinding, really quite a sterile packaging, medical device, 13485 companies, all kinds of programming systems too. So at Future, we can make parts from, say, 5 millimeters by 15 millimeters would be a bigger part for us, down to a part that is literally 1/1000th that size. The smallest part we made, you can get 18,000 parts out of a pound of material. And cutting tools, we run from 3/1000ths diameter up to 3/8 diameter.
So, what tool does Mark use for his complex programming?
I use the cam side of SurfMill. It came standard with my machine. It comes with CAD and cam, and it's amazing how quick it is to pick up and very easy to use.
SurfMill, Jingdiao's CAD/CAM digital platform.
So SurfMill, after you have the program pretty much ironed out, it has a really good simulation, and it'll keep you from crashing the machine, and it's very easy it'll tell you when you're getting too close, and you can go set it to the parameters that you need. One of the other nice features about SurfMill is, well, actually in the machine, probing. So you can probe the part after you cut it and check the size of it, and it'll look at that against your solid model. So once you have your setup in SurfMill about how far your part's gonna be sticking out, where the zero is, you can put your part in the machine, use the probe, and it'll locate the part within 0.2. You don't have to be some engineer to do that. Any operator can make that happen. And the post, I mean, it's written by Jingdiao, so it works every time. There's no screwing around with the program after you've written it.
SurfMill is user-friendly, safe, and reliable for programming. But what about the machining?
This is my Jingdiao GRA50. Features a 32,000 RPM direct drive spindle and a 6-inch diameter direct drive table. This is Jingdiao's own controller, but it's very similar. All the codes are very similar to a FANUC control. I don't think anybody that's run a FANUC would have any issues with this machine at all.
Human-machine synergy, proactive risk management. When it comes to machining, Jingdiao equipment is purpose-built to overcome real-world challenges.
One of the most unique things about my Jingdiao is that while you're machining, you can actually hit the hand wheel button on, and you can walk through your program while you're machining, and then once you get past a little tight spot, you can send it back on its way. It's very handy, especially for running through that program the first time. Make sure you got all your clearances on a flat axis.
In the field of precision manufacturing, we understand that every minute detail determines the final outcome. As demonstrated by Mark, Jingdiao is empowering precision manufacturing enterprises like Future Micromold to overcome daily technical challenges through robust technology and equipment. From programming to machining, Jingdiao aspires to be a trusted partner. We are committed to integrating machines, software, and machining applications into a harmonious system, helping you confidently tackle various challenges in precision manufacturing with stable and practical technology. We look forward to exploring and advancing together with you. Thank you for watching this episode of Jingdiao Insight. See you next time.